How to fix Wi-Fi fail to connect to network on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. After that, scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi over here. Now as you do that, you can select on the network that you want to connect or that is getting failed to connect to network. Then as you tap on the network, you can just try to forget and then delete the Wi-Fi and then reconnect it again. If that's not working, what you can simply do is make a long press on the home button and then tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might also fix your issue. Next, what you can simply do is scroll down the status bar and then turn on the airplane mode, and then after a few seconds you can just toggle off this option, and this might also fix your Wi-Fi fail to connect a network issue on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.